Hello, one of the key advantages of stretch ceilings is their versatility. They can be installed in various settings, including residential homes, commercial spaces, offices, hotels, restaurants, and even swimming pools. The stretch ceiling system can accommodate complex architectural designs and can be customized to incorporate lighting fixtures, ventilation systems, or acoustic treatments. Stretch ceilings offer several benefits. First, they provide a smooth and flawless finish that can hide imperfections, cracks, or unsightly features of the original ceiling. They also offer excellent acoustic properties, helping to absorb sound and improve the acoustic performance of a room. Additionally, stretch ceilings are highly durable and long-lasting. They are resistant to moisture, mold, and mildew, making them suitable for areas with high humidity levels. The fabric membranes used in stretch ceilings are easy to clean and maintain, requiring only periodic dusting or gentle wiping. Thank you.